He got one too. No, but I'm sure that's what you got. It ain't no snapper.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, there you go. Look at the size of him. Oh my God. That is crazy. Look at the size of that. That's why you're working so hard.
Where's our gas? Yeah, I'm just going to put it in the field. That's like when it's strong.
Yeah, you need to get a weight on him. Yeah, he's going to be big.
Way down there? Got a bit of
This is going to go like 35, 40.
wow.
More than that.
You got it? So he's 30, 29.
29.
29 to 30. Actually, I see 30 bouncing around there.
So it feels like 100 after pulling him up. That's it. That's it. That's how you pace yourself, old man.
Yeah, I get 10 feet in, it takes 20
I
out.
know. It's crazy.
Hey guys, what do you say we get a little That's a nice animal.
Yeah, that is.
That's a nice heck, yeah. Huh? I got it. He's a nice one. It shouldn't be too hard to get that out, that mess. So, do you want me to take you a picture with this?
No, you can go. Just drop him in there. He's good.
Bobby T. That's double hookup right there. Pull up, reel down. There you go. Pull up, reel down.
You still got fish on there, Ed? No, there's a fish on there. Come on now. I'm running out of tape. You got the rhythm down, though. Stay with that. Oh, yeah, he's saucing you a little bit now.
What do you think here, Ed? You got fish? Yeah, I got one. I love this. Don't you ride that way. Huh?
Holy smokes.
Big one, Bobby.
You probably got one too, Ed.
Yeah.
You got it. You got the pattern now, Ed. You got it going, buddy. That's that. Keep down. Pull up. Reel down. There you go. Reel down.
I gotta weigh him real quick. I think he's fell on the floor. Okay. You think you're ready? Oh yeah, big old snap.
Oh my God.
Damn. Look at that hog.
Oh, that's another big one. Jeez.
Woo! Yeah! Good job, buddy.
You're on the board. Oh, yeah. Little snapper.
Go, snapper! Little one. It's all right. That'd be a keeper.
That's a keeper. So you're on the count. That puts you at 2 there, Shavy.
Yeah.
She got a little sweat going over there?
Yeah, big
Huh?
time.
Huh? You better drop down that t-shirt.
I'm getting ready.
Looks nice, buddy. Uh-oh.
That's early.